Hello again everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial. This time the tutorial is on the activities available to teachers in their practice area on Moodle. So the first thing, okay, here I'm back, just like from the previous session, I'm back in my teacher practice area. My topic is the topic 4. And first thing you have to do is to turn the editing on. And when you want to, come on, here, turn the editing on, okay. Once it's on, you have access to this field here, add an activity or resource. When you click on it, you will see that the activities are on the top, the resources on the bottom. The activities, you have different kinds. You have, of course, a lot of options to communicate directly with your students. You can make a checklist for them to see what they have to do. You can, of course, have their assignment, their attendance. You can schedule appointments with your students or have some timelines, like on the organizer, the scheduler. Your students can have folders to put their assignments in if they want. They can also build a team. You have all these tools available. You also have some survey and poll tools so that you can ask their opinion or create quizzes very quickly. So you can have a survey, a quiz. There's a poll somewhere. And of course, here you have voting. And of course, a forum where they can discuss. You can open topics like we are doing in the main part of the course these weeks, and you can get feedback from your students. I don't remember if I already said that. You can get feedback on how they how they perceive your classes. They can create podcasts, or you can create a podcast. And of course you have games available, like the ones you could create with hot potatoes, hot pot, some here like this. For my site, for my topic here, I have decided to choose vocabulary activities. So I've decided to create crosswords. The good thing is that every student gets a different crossword, so every time is a different experience. You can base your crossword on a quiz or on a glossary. I decided to create mine on a glossary here. So the glossary was pretty easy to enter. All you have to do is add, and then you can create a new glossary, but I'm going to get back. I'm going to cancel this one because I already have a glossary. But anyway, so you can edit your glossary. You go in the edit settings, of course, and then here you have the characteristics. Sorry for the framing again. You have the characteristics of your glossary. How many entries you want, what kind of entries you want in the glossary. If they're going to look like a dictionary and things, appearance, like if they want, how many entries you want per page, the ratings, when they are available, the settings, if you want it, again, if you are ready to show it on your page, or if you still want to. It's the same features and the resources we saw in the previous video. So save and return. I don't want to edit the calendar. Sorry. Oh, So once your glossary is, you have all the settings, you just click on it and you can add here some, okay. When I click on the glossary, I have access to all the entries I've already put in, or I can look for them like here, for example, have a search to see what's the definition of a fuselage. Here it is. I got the fuselage here. Or I can try to see what's under a letter, like what's under the letter R. Under the L, I have a radium and the rudder. Okay. Then I can add a new entry, very easy. For example, I want to enter a new undercarriage. And the definition that I have already prepared here. Control C, up, Control V. Let's put one more, save the changes, and you will see that now if I go in all my up here under level U, I have the undercarriage. So that's for that is for my glossary. Okay, now what about the crosswords? The crosswords was pretty easy to set up. Then again, I can edit it if I want. Here I have who can enter things, the number, the crossword options here, how many rows and columns I want, how many words I want in my crossword, and so. If I want headers and footers, well, I've done that already. So there we go, and then save and display. Okay, sorry, I wanted to return to the course here. So now my students or myself can click on the crosswords, and then that's when you get to the game and you can attend the game, re-attend the game, and you have a crossword here. I chose to have my definition below, variable control surface on the trailing edge. That should be the flaps, and that's the one across. So here I go, here, flaps, and yes, okay. And then I can continue like this. Well, I'm sorry it's a little long, but I hope you enjoyed it. See you.